All contractual agreements are subject to certain laws, standards, and terms. Contract compliance is the process of ensuring all the parties involved conform to these requirements. Ensuring compliance at every stage of the contract lifecycle, from drafting to beyond execution, is necessary to avoid legal, operational, financial, and credibility issues. It involves a series of processes and checks that stakeholders must follow throughout contract management. While necessary, establishing compliance can be daunting for businesses juggling large portfolios with complex contracts. Fortunately, Doc's contract management software offers several tools to ease up the process of ensuring contract compliance. Firstly, instead of manually reviewing lengthy contracts, Doc employs AI to automatically identify and extract relevant clauses. Users can even set up deadlines and reminders to track these obligations. Doc also makes all the relevant contract data accessible to the stakeholders to monitor performance, deadlines, and milestones to ensure compliance. Keeping detailed records of all communications and changes to the contract is crucial for maintaining compliance. Doc provides a digital repository with version control to centralize the storage of contracts. Built on Office 365, Doc also offers Microsoft's security and compliance features specific to particular industries and regions. Doc 365 contract management software is a one-stop solution for businesses to ensure they keep promises and follow all the rules to guarantee results.